Good evening. I'm Sean Pender, National President of the AOH, bringing you up to date on our actions since Hurricane Helene made landfall on September 26th. Communications were immediately initiated with brothers in the affected areas of Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, and Tennessee. While the damage was widespread, we were blessed that only 6 brothers sustained damages that required assistance. 3 brothers from South Carolina and 3 from Florida received grants from the Hibernian Disaster Relief Fund of the Hibernian Charity. This fund has been set up to help Hibernians in their time of need due to natural disaster. Hibernians in the affected areas rallied to support not only their brothers, but their communities. The North Carolina AOH worked with Catholic Charities to shuttle much needed supplies to Western North Carolina. So many AOH members have also supported relief charities with prayers and donations. Today, as we await the potential landfall of Hurricane Milton, we stand ready to support any members who sustain damage or hardship due to this impending disaster. In response to the requests for direction from our membership, the National Board has directed members, divisions, and board to consider making donations to the Hibernians Disaster Relief Fund of the Hibernian Charity. Donations can be made online at the website below or simply scan this QR code. Checks can also be made payable to Hibernian Charity, Memo, Disaster Relief. These funds will be used to maintain reserves for the disaster fund and to reply to any future relief fund request. Now, to help support the immediate, ongoing, long-term relief efforts throughout the areas, we are asking members, divisions, and boards to make donations to support Hurricane Helene disaster relief via the Catholic Charities USA. CCUSA, Catholic Charities USA, is the official domestic disaster relief agency of the Catholic Church in the United States. They have launched a dedicated Helene disaster relief campaign. All donations received for disaster aid will be allocated to the Catholic charity agencies providing critical relief, including shelter, food, and other humanitarian aid to those most in need. Donations can be made online at this website below. Checks can also be made out to We thank you for your consideration to support those impacted by these horrific storms. As Hibernians, we pledge to aid brothers in need and communities that need support. And now is the time for compassionate action. May God bless our members and everyone in need of assistance at this time. Thank you.